Tomorrow, all of you come early, okay?
Okay, Ustad. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikumus salam.
Sister, come, hurry up. Come here. Look, a white-eyed frog.
Hey, where is it?
Over there, look. Croak, croak. Croak.
Hey, what are you doing? Poor creature, that frog must be crying out of pain.